Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Google Forms and selecting a blank quiz. This gets you into the editing UI quickly. Once done, enable settings right arrow quizzes right arrow make this a quiz so you can assign points and auto-grade. Now create a title and short description to orient respondents, then plan sections, and decide which questions require mandatory answers. You're starting with intent, why you quiz, and the basic config so every later step aligns with grading, feedback, and data needs. Now you build the meat of the quiz. Add each question with the right type so it measures the skill you want. As you add multiple choice or short answer items, set the answer key and point value. Give feedback for correct and incorrect responses to strengthen learning. Then use sections and the go to section based on answer feature to branch the flow. This controls pacing and adaptive pathways. Make sure to preview periodically so navigation and scoring behave as you expect. Finish by previewing the whole quiz and submitting sample answers. This verifies grading, feedback, and section flow. Once satisfied, enable collect email addresses and limit to one response if needed, then choose when to release grades and whether to show missed questions. Share via link, email, or embed, and set permissions so only intended respondents can open it. If grading or branching fails, retest the problematic question and check answer key formatting. The tip: make a copy and isolate the issue to fix it safely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.